Take one, action two. Hey guys, what is up? I have been MIA for the past month. Not by my choice. Basically, I had my birthday March 16th. It was so much fun. I had my party, and you're probably wondering like what? I don't understand. I'm confused. So basically, I wanted to film 3 videos concerning my 16th birthday because it's my 16th birthday and it's my favorite number, and I'm extra, I'm sorry. But the video that I wanted to do today was preparing for my Sweet 16 and showing you like all the cute party supplies that I got, because I didn't realize how much fun planning a party is. It was definitely a lot of decision making, and my parents and I basically planned it in a month. But I mean, it was so much fun, and since I was the birthday girl, I got to choose anything I wanted. Well, you know, within the budget. I just loved planning it and having a theme. And then also there should be some vlog footage of us buying stuff. It was just such a fun experience. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I'm trying to reach 2.1k soon, and also make sure to hit that like button. Let's try to get to 30 likes, and comment down below when your birthday is. And let's get started. Okay, so first things first, the theme for my party was Hollywood. I just love like video production and movies and LA and being famous. I'm not saying I am famous, but I just love Hollywood and that kind of stuff. And it was also such an easy theme to do because there are tons of Hollywood decorations. For the color themes, originally I wanted it to be pink and gold, because like pink and then gold's kind of fancy, kind of Gucci, you know, but then the Hollywood theme kind of adds black into it. So the color scheme, I guess, was like pink, black, and gold, which I think like pink and black look really cute, and then the gold adds a little bit more of like a movie thing, and then pink just adds my style because my favorite color is pink. Okay, so I am vlogging for my 16th birthday party. I'm going to be looking at some supplies and decorations because my party is like in a month. So I want this like Hollywood theme, and like also the color scheme is like pink and gold. I saw like some movie kind of stuff over here, like, oh yeah, oh, that's kind of nice. I kind of like that. Like these movie decorations right there. And then, yes, oh my gosh, this is gonna be great. Oh, what's this? Hanging decorations. Oh my gosh. Ooh, these are nice. A plus sign. Oh my gosh, it's so great. Okay, I really like this. Hollywood Boulevard. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Sweet 16 section. Right. They have like so much stuff. We only found a golden 6. We can't even find a golden 1. It's crazy. There's more Sweet 16 stuff.
So what do you have in Sweet 16 or you have in the... See, because of today.
Ooh, they have movie tickets. Movie tickets. I think it's pretty much the same stuff. Oh, they have baby trophies. So cool. Stars. Wow, that is really decked out. Good thing we went when we went. One of the things that I wanted to make sure that I had at my party was a photo booth. I wanted to have a backdrop where, you know, it's like kind of like celebrities, you know, on the red carpet. And we also did get a red carpet, but it kind of did fail. I don't think we even had it anymore. We had this red carpet that was pretty big. Just every time you stepped on it, it would kind of like move and shift.
Oh, no.
Okay, there's kind of a backstory to this. We got this golden tinsel thing because we thought that we were going to be using this other backdrop that I'm really happy that we didn't end up using. But I'll show you the old one that we had. We actually had 2 old ones. The other one we don't have anymore because we returned it, but we still have these paparazzi things. And then the paparazzi props pretty much just looked like these guys. I don't know, I just wasn't like feeling it. I was like, we can do better. So the way that photo drops kind of work is that you have like the poles and then this is a little thing. And so our backdrop only went like this far and then there was kind of space. So we were gonna use that golden tinsel to cover up the thing. But we actually didn't end up using that. We got a really awesome backdrop from Amazon. Yes, we got this backdrop. It just says Hollywood and has a red carpet in it. So it just has Hollywood and then it has the red carpet at the bottom. You can see there. But yeah, it was really good. good. It was from Amazon. It was either like under or close to $20, so it wasn't that expensive at all. And then I'll insert a picture of the exact photo drop hanger kind of thing. We also got these little centerpieces that we were going to use, but we actually ended up using something else, which I'll show you. I'm honestly going in the most random order. But yeah, so this is just like a balloon holder because we had quite a bit of balloons. And then I also had 2 3 feet balloons because I wanted 3 feet pink 16 balloons, because like if there's any occasion to be extra, why not do it on your like favorite birthday? Why not do it on your sweet 16? Because my mom was literally like, this is too extra, like stop. And I was just like, no, like I will literally buy it with my own money, because if there's a time to be extra, today's the day. They turned out so good and I loved them so much, and I took such cute photos with them. And then also with the 3 feet balloons, we got some of these clear balloons with like little pink circles in them, but we didn't really end up using them because kind of a complicated balloon. So in our search for the 3 feet balloons, I remember seeing some at certain stores. We kind of bought a lot, but these are all actually mini ones. These ones are about like 14 inches, which isn't the effect that I wanted. I wanted 3 feet balloons. I wanted to be extra. Another thing that we got were these sweet 16 balloons. They actually have like a sweet 16 section in most party stores, which is really cool. These don't say 16, never mind, but they do have a section. But this just basically says happy birthday, and it's in black, gold, and pink. And then we got 20 balloons of pink balloons, and then we also got some gold balloons. So for our centerpieces, they turned out so nice. So we used these like little glass, almost like a little fishbowl things, and then we used some of these little what do you call these, just like little like flat marbles. So that's so wrong. I just found one that's unopened. Apparently they call these glass gems. That's kind of pretty and sounds better than flat marbles. And we had a color changing light in some of them, so it looked so cool. And then we just filled the rest with water, and it was actually such a good centerpiece and looked really classy, really nice. And then my mom also put some flowers in them. I think that's what I really liked about this entire experience as well, was that at least for the decorating side, it was really like me and my mom working together and both having ideas. And like my mom's so creative, like it's actually insane. She could totally be like a professional party planner, and it was so much fun to, you know, collab and work and plan a party with her. It was still such a good like mom-daughter experience. Aw, why does the lighting like to change on me so much? I literally feel like this video is more like stuff that we didn't end up using but bought anyways. And like literally every single thing I'm like, we didn't use this, but it's okay, it's okay. So another thing that we didn't end up using were these LED decorative lights, and they light up. You can't really see, but we were gonna put these around the tables, like around the centerpieces, but it just kind of looked too busy. And then also I think we realized that we didn't bring any batteries, and you don't have to plug these into a wall, but you need batteries, and that was one of the things that we forgot. We also got 2 clipboards because there was these 2 different party stores that like had similar stuff, but we wanted to compare. So we got this one. It still has some stuff on it that people wrote. I think it says wholesome Michaela, maybe, I don't know. And then it says Obama, of course, but it's like legit. It's so cool, and I've always wanted one of these. Like they're so cute, and maybe I could like start my videos to be like, okay, take one. Then we also got another one from, I kind of forget where we got all these from, but like if you actually want to know, like just comment down below and I can find it out for you. But yeah, so then we got this other one. This one came with chalk, so that was kind of nice, and then this one didn't, but they're definitely like pretty much the same. Oh, another thing that we got was, oh, did I just ruin it? So it's like a spiral thing, and then it has this little like Oscar thing. But yeah, these were just hanging from the ceiling. I think we had 2 of them. Another thing that we got, which I wish we kept the packaging, but it was these jumbo photo props for the photo booth. So we have stuff like this, and then there was even this one, which is super cool, like you're in a movie. I love them. They have this hat, and then they have party time, and then a mustache. These photo booth prompts were like really good. Imagine your job being a party planner or like a party decoration designer, because like that'd be so much fun. Another thing that we had that I'll also insert a picture was we had this hanging near the dance floor, added to the space because it was kind of like an empty wall, so it definitely was such a good thing to have them added to the theme. But yeah, it just is this green sign that says Hollywood Boulevard and has some stuff hanging. And so another thing that we did that was so much fun to create were the goodie bags, and I think that there were some pretty good goodie bags. So what we did is we used these 25 loot bags, and it's just like this plastic like covering for it, and then I kept one to this day. It's literally a month after my party, and I still have one of the goodie bags because we had some extras, and I'll just explain what we had in it. Should have brought it in before. Finally, I can show you guys this. I've literally waited so long to film this video. So this is what the goodie bags looks like. So we used this popcorn bag, and then we put in marshmallows, we put in a Hershey bar, and then we put in M&Ms at the bottom, and we put in this award, and then it looks like popcorn. Like, that's why we put the marshmallows at the top, because it kind of looks like a popcorn thing, and it just fits the whole movie thing. We got this, I think, at Party City, and then I think we got the Oscars, most of them at least, from Amazon. Then we used some red ribbon and curled it to make it really cute. I might become a professional party planner because it was really fun. But yeah, it was so cute, and you get a little trophy, and you get some candies, and you get Hershey's chocolate. I mean, Hershey's chocolate. Another thing that I want to add is that I am so thankful for this party. Like, it just really meant a lot to me having all my friends there and my family there, and it was just such a fun party, and I just am so thankful for it because I know that not everyone can have a party like this, you know. And my mom was so generous and like buying all the supplies. I was like, oh my gosh, like, we're really gonna get all this? Like, thank you so much. The reason that I wanted this party was because 16's always been my favorite number, and I've always wanted to be 16 actually. Ever since I saw the movie 16 Wishes with Debbie Ryan, I was obsessed with that movie, and they always played it so much, so I was always watching it. But I just like remember seeing that and being like, oh my gosh, like, that's so amazing. I totally want something like that. So I'm so grateful that I was able to have a party like that. Like, my parents were like, we could do something else, you know, with the money that it costs to do a party, we could do so many other things. But I feel like an experience and spending time with all my friends and family was such a bigger gift than like any other material thing. So that's kind of like, you know, a backstory to the reason, because it was just, I'll never forget that experience, and it was so much fun. I just love how I'm calling this preparing for my Sweet 16, but it already happened. But like, it's okay, it's okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was so much fun to film and just share with you all the like cute little decorations and stuff. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I'm trying to reach 2.1k really soon, and make sure to hit that like button. Let's try to get to 30 likes. And don't forget to comment down below what day and month your birthday is in. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. I have Instagram and Snapchat. I post some really awesome photography on there and some really funny stories there sometimes. And I'll see you guys next week.